Getting here is has allowed me to meet friends, network with people, and obviously get exposed to the most novel research in the field of trauma and acute care surgery. The tenacious family of East is the most rewarding for me. I feel like getting here has allowed me to meet new friends, connect with old friends, and have the opportunity to be exposed to the new research in the field of trauma surgery. I would absolutely recommend this event to medical students, residents, and fellows with also co-surgeons. I think this gives us all the opportunity to connect, to bring new ideas together, and advance the field of trauma surgery.